Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, we're going to install like how do you fix your mouse, because when we tried, like if you try to scroll your Mac using a not magic mouse, you encounter this, like it feels weird and it doesn't be like Windows or something like that. It doesn't feel smooth. So how do we fix that? Yeah, so I found a way and I would like to share about it. So it's called fix my mouse. Like we can try to search on Google. Just click on the search bar and you can type like fix my mouse. Yeah, you can click this one and scroll down, like scroll up if you are using from Windows. Yeah, click on the first one, the Mac mouse fix. So go here, click on download, allow, and you can see there's an app downloaded here. Click on it, click open, and now just toggle this on. And now you go back to like settings, and you can see the scrolling is like more smooth and everything works like what you think of. So this is an app that I found is like great. You can just customize it like that, customize the speed from low like this one to something high. Yeah, so it's smooth and I really love like these things are working on. So if you like this video, just subscribe and I will definitely be more willing to help on you. Okay, that's all from me and see you next time.